You've carried a lot with you. You know that weight. The anger that lodges itself in your chest. The silence that screams louder than words ever could. Every hurt you've buried has shaped you. Every shadow whispered that you're alone. But right now, I want you to pause. Feel your body. Feel your breath. And recognize this. You are not as alone as those shadows would have you believe. Because somewhere, beneath the heaviness, a gentler voice has been waiting. It's telling you that it's okay to let go. It's saying that mercy isn't weakness, it's strength. That forgiveness isn't forgetting, it's freeing. Right here, right now, you can lay down what no longer serves you. The anger, the pain, the grudges that have been weighing down your spirit. Imagine setting them down as if placing stones on the ground. One by one, heavy no longer. Look around yourself. Every person you've met, every soul you've encountered, is carrying something similar. Fears, cracks, longings. You're not the only one who has wandered through storms, seeking shelter, seeking grace. And just as you recognize that in them, you can recognize it in yourself. You can meet yourself with tenderness, with understanding, with love. You can extend mercy not just to the world, but to you. Feel your hands. They've held so much. They've built, they've comforted, they've clutched too tightly onto pain. Now let them relax. Let them open. Let them flow. Because when you let love in, when you let mercy move through you, you create a space where peace can arrive. And peace is not passive, it's active. It is the courage to forgive, the courage to rise, the courage to say, I will not let my past dictate my present. Imagine the night you've been carrying, the heaviness of unspoken words, the weight of old grievances. You have the power to forgive it. You have the power to let the spirits of your heart glow again, to release the darkness and allow your light to shine. You don't need a crown. You don't need a throne. What you need is this moment, this truth, this shared human experience. You are stronger than your pain. You are braver than your fear. And as you let mercy flow, something beautiful happens. You rise. So right now, lay it down. Let mercy flow. Let go of the night, the hurt, the anger. Feel the warmth of your own heart shining through. Let it rise. Let it expand. Let it carry you home. This is your invitation, your permission, your revolution of the soul. You are ready. You are enough. And in letting mercy flow, you are finally free.
I carried anger like heavy stone. Silence screamed through every bone. Every wound a secret groan. Shadows whispered, I'm alone. Then I heard a gentler tone, a whisper saying, let love be shown. Lay it down, let mercy flow. Lay it down, let mercy flow. Forgive the night, let spirits glow. Lay it down, let mercy flow. I saw myself in spirits could roam. Love kept calling, calling me home. Give the night, let spirits glow. Lay it down, let mercy flow. No crown needed, no throne, just shed tears and truth alone. Light arise when chains are gone, peace is found when hate on. Lay it down, let mercy flow. Lay it down, let mercy flow. Forgive the night, let spirits glow. Lay it down, let mercy spirits glow. Lay it down, let mercy flow. We are healed when we forgive. We are whole when we truly